In our work is the three qualities: baby alpaca, alpaca, and sheep. You touch, this is baby alpaca, it's really soft.
Yes.
This is alpaca, this is a sheep, it's different.
Yeah.
Baby alpaca is more soft than sheep.
Yes.
Yeah? This is natural color of alpacas, it's no dyeing process. All is natural colors.
Natural colors.
Yes. Look. This is dirty wool, this is dirty, sucia.
Yes. Susie.
To wash this dirty wool, we use this root, natural root called safta. It's a natural shampoo, it's a natural detergent. The root we collect from the mountain 3 or 4 hours. It's a small bush, similar ayaca, not yaka. Good for the wash. The alpacas, the shipur, my clothes, my hair, prevented the gray hairs. Natural shampoo, yeah? Natural detergent. This is muña and yangming tea, good for altitude, for stomach.
Ah, gracias, muchas gracias. This is some tea.
Gracias.
Gracias, señorita. Muchas gracias.
Now,
Cheese.
this is
Cheers,
for
darling.
filter.
Cheers.
Look the phone.
Para menta, ¿verdad? ¿Té de menta?
Sí, muña, menta.
¿Cómo le
Muña
dicen?
tea.
Muña tea.
Muña tea.
Té de menta.
Mint tea.
Green tea. Okay. Very good.
Look the phones, look the bubbles, natural soap. Here we call Inca shampoo.
Inca
No drink, no pisco sour.
Yes.
E-wash is a dirty wool. The alpacas and sheep never take a shower. Normal wash is 2-3 times for demonstration. I'm making that 2-3 times. Yeah, look. Look, the water Inca chocolate. This is the one wash. Look.
Oh, nice.
Before and after a fair wash, one wash. 2-3 times is more clean. After wash the wool has a spinning. The spinning is a dancing, cooking, working, carry the babies, kiss my husband, no problem. Multitasking. The break, no problem. Normal spinning, no knot. Yeah, look at normal spinning, no knot. Now I am going to sing for you for your visit in my mother language, in Quechua and Inca language. Yeah, go. Urpitu chatas uywakurani, urpitu chatas uywakurani, ayayay qoreka de nawatu chayukta, ayayay qoreka de nawatu chayukta, chayurpitu cha uywakusqaysi. Chayurpitucha uywakusqaysi, ayayay ripuy pasay mati yuwasyan, ayayay ripuy pasay mati yuwasyan. Thank you. This is a song and dancing in my mother language.
What did you say? What was the meaning? ¿Qué decía? ¿Cuál era
La
su
canción
significado?
dice: yo crié a una palomita en una jaulita con cadenas de oro. Ahora que mi palomita está grande, se quiere ir, me quiere dejar, dice la canción. La canción es dedicada para los hijos.
Sí.
A ellos los cuidamos y luego se van. Es la ley de la vida.
La ley de la vida,
Sí.
sí. That is a song that is made for the children. We take care of the kids and then they leave. That we take care of them in a beautiful cage and then they just have to leave. They have to grow.
Yes. Finish the spinning, we make a yarn. The yarn is for get the color for dyeing process. We use different plants. For example, this is leaf called ilka, similar a coca leaf, no coca leaf. Green leaf to get the green colors.
Okay.
This is 30 minutes in boiling, 1 hour, 2 hours in the boiling. This is cauliflower, small flower, cauli, to get yellow colors. This is tara, beans good for the sore throat, for the gargars to get the gray colors. This is moss lichen from the rock in Ollantaytam, in Machu Picchu, moss the rock, to get orange color. This is corn for drink, for chicha morada, the purple drink, to get the purple colors. This is plant, 3 corners plant is the triangles to get the blue colors. The most important for us is a small beetle, is a small parasite, is a cochinilla in leaf in cactus. This is alive.
The cochinillas.
Sí.
The normal cochinilla. And they live in a cactus.
Yes.
And yes, they have color, is that right? Purple
Red.
color, they're purple. Purple, is
The
that
red.
red?
Yes. This is alive. Yeah. Okay, unyo pokcho unyo torkone.
Yes.
This is alive. We recollect this is dry. Live and dry. Either dry is the mortar in the ground and stone. You obtain cochineal powder. Look at now.
Cochinilla powder.
Uh-huh.
Cochinilla powder. Wow.
Oh, wow.
This is the one color. For change the color, we use this mineral alum stone. Alum is for change and fix the color. Look, different tones. For other color, we use lemon. Lime juice is for change and fix the color. Different tones, different colors.
Yeah.
This, for example, for the children, the painting in school, aquarellas or ceramic. When festivities, carnivals, this is the painting a face, one natural cosmetics lipstick.
Oh, good.
Yeah, my lipstick is 24 hour the kiss fruit in lemon flavor. Resiste 100 kisses.
Ah, woo.
Lo más importante, no deja mancha en la camisa de los varones infieles.
It doesn't give, that's a good one. It doesn't leave a mark in the men that are not loyal to their wives.
Now, this is for dyeing process, and this hot water añading cochineal powder.
Cochinilla powder. Me encanta la cochinilla powder.
Moss, leaves, core, beans is 1 hour at 2 hours in the boiling. Cochinilla is 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes in the boiling. This is the one color. For change the color or fix the color, we use salt. Salt is from Maras Moray, Salineras. Salt is for change and fix the color. Look at different tone. No, my magic. This is Inca magic.
Inca magic is so nice.
Finish the boiling, you obtain different color in your permanent the colors. Chemical detergent the wash, no problem. For the fix, we use different minerals.
So like I bought this one.
Yeah.
So that was mixed, that was made with this style of this jumper, is that right? It's supposed to be alpaca.
Oh, beautiful. ¿Es baby alpaca?
See, that's what they told me.
Está muy bonito.
So they dyed with this cochinilla. They did with cochinilla, is that right? I think so, is that right?
No sabría decirle linda.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay.
Finish the yarn, obtain in the balls in different colors. In the balls, pass a project. The project is blanket, scarf, table runners, bag, backpack. That is in forma de cross and the shape. In the cross is for the work, for double, for reversible is a two face. This and this, same design. In machine is one face, in my work is both side. Finish the project combination, the color, pass a weaving. This is a backtrack loom. The design is in memory, no book, no computer. This is generation by generation. In one runner in the work is 20 and 25 days. This is what they will spinning the needles every day. Baby alpaca is more. Baby alpaca is 40 and 45 days. The design is complication in the yarn is fine in the baby alpaca.
Yes, yes.
You touch, this is baby alpaca.
So baby,
Copa
baby
tape.
alpaca is the best one.
Your cups.
Muchas gracias.
Okay.
Baby alpaca. And it's warm too. So, Wow.
This is adult alpaca.